in Uganda. But the version that we're going to see today is Microsoft Word 2013, because if you can use that version, you may not need a tutorial for 2016 and above. You may also not need another tutorial for 2007 and 2010. So it's like the middle version of the software. So as I've told you, Microsoft Word is one of the programs in the Microsoft Office suite that include Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Database, and Publisher, and several other programs. So this is how you open it. You open it like any other program. You can come to search. If you didn't have it pinned on the taskbar or a shortcut somewhere on the desktop, you can just come here in the taskbar. You go to search, and then we type in the word Word. So here it is. You just click on it to open. So this is how it opens. So this is the first page that you'll see when you've just opened Microsoft Word. You can start from a blank document, that is to start afresh, or you can choose a template from the following. These are pre-designed documents that you can just open and just edit the text. Then you print or you save or whatever you want to do with them. But we shall look at these templates in another video. But let's go to blank document. So this is how it looks like. It has tabs here. It has file, homes. Now under each of these tabs are functions, and we have file, home, insert, design, page, layout, references, etc. Now home tab is where we find the commonest functions that are used. For example, we find they are changing color, changing font, increasing size of the text, etc. Then insert is where we use common functions like adding pictures, adding shapes, graphs, and so many other things, headers and footers, as we shall see. Then there's design tab. It has these ones change the way the document looks like. You can change its design by selecting any of these themes. Then you can also change the colors here. We shall look at that, but the most common things used under this tab is page borders, page colors, and watermark. Those are the most used functions under this tab. Then we have page layout. It has so many functions, but the most commonly used among them is page size. You can change the size of the page. Then you can change the orientation, portrait or landscape. Then you can insert columns and so many other things. Then references. The most common thing used under references is table of contents. We shall also look at that. Mailings is sharing your documents. We shall look at that. Review. We shall also look at that. Then view. The most important feature under view is one, navigation pane. Your document can be very difficult to work with if this feature is not enabled. So we can take the navigation pane. Within the navigation pane, you can search for words or phrases within your document. So it's a very important feature. Then I have here Foxy PDF, but this is not part of Microsoft. It's just a plugin. Then we have file here. Now file, under file, we can have information about the document. We shall look at that. New, that is the first page that you see. Then you have open, if you want to open a document that you saved before. Then you have save. This is where we save our work. Then you have save as. Okay, save is just used to update the document. But when you go to save as, is when you are changing the name of the document. By the way, the name of the document is found here, this section here, document 1. The default name is document 1. That is before you save your work. But if you save your work, you'll be prompted to change the name. For example, you can change the name from here. So it will change from document 1 here to any name that you give the document. Then you have print. This is the way you print your work from. Then you have share. You can share a document online. Export. We normally come to this section if we want to save our work to PDF or any other format. Then close. Close, you are closing that section. you can close the document. File, the options under file. So we also have account here. Now this option is for those who have accounts with Microsoft Office. Then options. Now options, there are so many things we shall be looking at under options, but the most common, my favorite option is this one, language. You can toggle language between English United States and English United Kingdom. You shall also see how to do that. So briefly, this is how the program looks like. Yeah, that is it.